Hi, this is Sanjay, founder and CEO of Kheti Bazaar. Kheti Bazaar is an agri B2B e-commerce platform that connects the farmers directly with business consumers. Farmers can upload their produces, decide the rates they want to sell on, and describe their produce. Same time, consumers can access the produce, see the prices of the produce, compare that with their local market price, and place orders if they feel comfortable. Once orders are placed, then we provide logistics from farmers to the consumer. So let's see how it works. First, they will go to get started. Here a consumer can register him as a buyer and a farmer can register him as a farmer by entering their details. Once their account is created, farmers can upload their produces and consumers can access this and place the orders. If a consumer wants to purchase fruits, he will go to the fruit section, select the fruits they want to purchase. If he wants to purchase vegetables, he will go to vegetables section, select the vegetable that they want to purchase. They can here see the prices, they can here see the details of the farmer, they can here see if they're organic or not, every details of the variety uploaded by the farmer. Then he can simply go to the cart and complete his order by placing the order. This way the farmer cut down the middleman and gets connected directly with the business consumers and have extra income compared to the traditional system. Whereas for consumer, he saves extra cost that was incurred in the traditional system because in the local market prices are more compared to the platform. The reason is in the platform direct farmers are supplying the produce, whereas in the local market producers are coming after multiple handling through multiple stakeholders, and commission of each stakeholders increases the price in the local market. So our solution is increasing the income of the farmers and at the same time decreasing the cost of the consumer. In our full-fledged marketplace, there will be an option to scan a QR code for farmers so that they can track the real-time status of their produces in transit, or if it has been delivered, then if the customer has paid or not, every details by just scanning a QR code. Same time, consumers can also scan a QR code and track the real-time status of the produce in the transit and when it will get delivered, and he can plan his deliveries accordingly. The farmer can also, with the help of AI, see the future most approximate demand of any specific market, and in this way he can plan his harvesting accordingly. So this is a basic prototype of our solution where the farmers and consumers can get connected, and this way they can increase their income and save their costs. Thank you.